Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a simple structure so your calendar becomes a tool, not noise. Create 3 core calendars: work, personal, projects, so events are categorized and color-coded. Once done, set a sensible default event length and your work hours to prevent late bookings. Make sure to enable notifications and mobile sync so you get reminders where you are. This initial setup reduces context switching, speeds event creation, and gives immediate clarity on availability. Now you move into disciplined scheduling. Block time for focused work and reserve specific slots for meetings. Use color and calendar selection to visually separate deep work from collaborative time. Add 10 to 15-minute buffers between events to prevent back-to-back burnout and to handle overruns. Attach agendas and key documents to each event and assign roles to attendees so everyone knows expectations. By combining blocks, buffers, and context, you cut decision friction and keep your day predictable. Finish by automating repetitive patterns and creating templates for routine events so setup is instant. Schedule a brief weekly review to move unfinished tasks, rebalance time blocks, and resolve recurring conflicts. Use keyboard shortcuts and keyboard-driven event creation to save minutes every day. If something goes wrong, like missing events or desynced calendars, first reauthorize your account, then clear the app cache and force a sync. That fixes most issues and gets you back to a reliable schedule.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.